The good news is, you don't need expensive eye creams or cosmetic treatments to start seeing a difference. There are plenty of natural, easy, and affordable remedies you can try right at home, and many of them take just minutes to do. Let's go through 15 easy home remedies that can help reduce under-eye bags, puffiness, and even dark circles. You don't have to try all of them. Just find the ones that work for your lifestyle and skin type. 1. Cold compress. Let's start with one of the simplest and most effective tricks, a cold compress. When you apply something cold to the skin, it helps constrict the blood vessels and reduce swelling. This is especially useful in the morning when under-eye puffiness tends to be worse. You can use a chilled spoon, cold cucumber slices, a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a cloth, a reusable gel eye mask, or even just a washcloth soaked in cold water. It's a fast, soothing way to wake up the face and minimize puffiness in a natural, non-invasive way. 2. Cucumber slices. You've probably seen this one in movies or spa ads, and for good reason. Cucumbers are packed with antioxidants and have mild astringent properties. They also have a high water content, which hydrates the skin and helps reduce inflammation. To use them, chill a cucumber in the fridge, slice it into thick rounds, place one slice over each eye, and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. This method not only helps depuff, but also leaves the skin feeling cool, fresh, and revitalized. 3. Tea bags, especially green or chamomile. Used tea bags are surprisingly effective for under-eye bags. Green tea and chamomile tea in particular are great choices thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. To use this remedy, steep 2 tea bags in hot water, let them cool completely. You can refrigerate them for faster results. Then place the cooled tea bags over your closed eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. The caffeine in green tea can help tighten skin and reduce swelling, while chamomile soothes and calms the area. Regular use can also slightly improve dark circles over time. 4. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is well known for its soothing and hydrating properties. When applied under the eyes, it can help reduce swelling, moisturize the skin, and improve elasticity. Use pure aloe vera gel, either straight from the plant or a store-bought one that's 100% natural with no added fragrance or color. Just apply a small amount under your eyes before bed, gently pat it in with your ring finger, and leave it overnight. In addition to reducing puffiness, aloe vera can also nourish the skin and reduce signs of fatigue. 5. Potato slices or juice. Potatoes contain enzymes, vitamin C, and starch, all of which can nourish the skin and reduce inflammation. They're also known to help lighten dark circles and brighten dull skin. To use, grate a raw, peeled potato, squeeze out the juice using a clean cloth, soak cotton pads in the juice, and place them under your eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. Alternatively, you can simply place raw potato slices directly over your closed eyes. Over time, you may notice not only less puffiness but also a smoother, more even-toned under-eye area. 6. Chilled milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates the skin while its natural fats help moisturize and soothe. To use, chill a small amount of milk, soak cotton pads in it, and place them under your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. This treatment can help calm puffiness, hydrate the skin, and even improve texture. Make sure to use full fat or whole milk for maximum moisturizing benefits. It's a gentle and budget-friendly method that feels like a mini spa treatment at home. 7. Egg whites. They are known for tightening the skin, and that temporary tightening effect can help reduce the look of bags and wrinkles under the eyes. To use, separate one egg white into a bowl, whisk it until it's frothy, Then apply a thin layer under your eyes using a clean brush or your fingers. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing gently with cool water. This natural mask gives a firming effect that's noticeable right away. For best results, apply it regularly but avoid if you have egg allergies or sensitive skin. 8. Rose water. Rose water isn't just fragrant and relaxing, it's also anti-inflammatory and soothing for tired eyes. Chill your rose water in the fridge, soak cotton pads, and place them over your eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. It's perfect for reducing puffiness, refreshing tired eyes, and even soothing mild irritation or redness. Choose pure, alcohol-free rose water to avoid drying out your skin. Incorporating this into your morning or evening routine adds a calming and gentle touch. 9. Hydration, hydration, hydration. No home remedy can compete with the power of staying hydrated. When your body is dehydrated, your skin shows it, especially around the delicate eye area. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're consuming caffeine, salty foods, or alcohol. Hydrated skin looks plumper, smoother, and less likely to appear puffy. Keeping a water bottle with you throughout the day makes it easier to stay on track. 10. Limit salt and processed foods. Too much sodium can cause your body to retain water, leading to puffiness, especially around the eyes. Try reducing salty snacks, processed foods, and high sodium meals, which can contribute to fluid retention. Instead, increase your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, spinach, avocados, and sweet potatoes. Potassium helps balance the body's sodium levels and reduce swelling. A clean, balanced diet supports not just your skin but your overall health. 11. Elevate your head while sleeping. Gravity plays a role in puffiness. When you sleep flat, fluid can pool under your eyes, leading to morning swelling. Elevating your head slightly with an extra pillow can help prevent that fluid buildup overnight. You don't have to sleep uncomfortably, just a small incline can make a difference. This adjustment can be especially useful for people who notice bags primarily in the mornings. 12. Gentle massage. A light, daily massage around the eyes can stimulate circulation and reduce fluid buildup. Use your ring fingers, the gentlest fingers, for tapping or lightly massaging the under-eye area in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can also use a chilled jade roller or even a metal spoon to enhance the soothing and depuffing effect. Be careful not to tug or pull on the skin, as the under-eye area is very delicate. Doing this consistently can help tone and relax the area over time. 13. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that can help nourish and rejuvenate the delicate skin under your eyes. Break open a vitamin E capsule, dab a tiny bit under your eyes before bed, and gently massage it in. This oil not only moisturizes but also supports skin repair and elasticity. Always do a patch test first, as some people may be sensitive or react to vitamin oils. Used regularly, it can contribute to a smoother and more vibrant under-eye appearance. 14. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is deeply moisturizing and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce puffiness and fine lines. Apply a very small amount under your eyes at night before bed and gently massage it into the skin. It's especially helpful for people with dry or flaky under-eye skin, and it absorbs well without leaving a heavy residue. However, be cautious if you're prone to breakouts, as coconut oil can clog pores for some individuals. Using it sparingly can make a noticeable difference over time. 15. Consistency is key. This one isn't a specific remedy, but it's the most important of all. These methods are safe and natural, but they're not magic. You probably won't see overnight results, especially if puffiness is caused by underlying factors like genetics or allergies. Like anything in skincare, consistency is everything. Choose 2 or 3 remedies that work for you and stick with them daily or a few times a week, and over time, your skin will thank you. Final thoughts. Under eye bags don't mean you're unhealthy or doing something wrong. They're a natural part of being human. But if you want to reduce their appearance, these home remedies are a great place to start. They're affordable, gentle, and easy to incorporate into your routine. Plus, they help you carve out a little self-care time, which benefits both your appearance and your mental well-being. Try a few of these out, be patient, and give your skin the time and care it deserves. Let us know in the comments which remedy worked best for you, or if you have a favorite DIY trick we didn't mention. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who's always asking how to get rid of puffy eyes.